Today on World Ocean Day 2026, we at MQM 24/7 are proud to announce the DFS Awards. DFS Awards are the Deposit Fecal Scheme Awards, and the nominees are Baga, Anjana, and Vagator. The air that we breathe, it's thanks to the oceans. The clean oxygen that we get and the low AQI, thanks to the oceans. The seafood that we so fondly relish, thanks to the oceans. But it's not just the oceans that gives us something. We humans definitely give something back to it. We gift the oceans endless sewage and use the oceans as a free of cost dumping ground. So this championship of giving back to the oceans has been hands down won by our very own Baga. With an average of 0.47 microplastics per liter in the ocean water, Baga has won the gold medal by giving back at least 0.6 microplastics per liter to its beloved ocean. Second prize of this championship goes to our beloved Anjana, and third prize, any guesses? It's our very own Vagator. Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. The same material that is used in your yoga pants is now successfully being transferred and given back to the oceans. And then it comes back eventually on your seafood platter. And now you will think that why are only certain areas winning this championship? No, it's not that our smart city, our very own capital of Goa, Panaji, is left too far behind. Our beloved casino industry is making sure that they keep giving back to the oceans no matter what. And please don't be confused. This is not an easy task. It takes endless hard work to ensure that you reach these levels of fecal parties. The casino parties are not just on their casino vessels. The real fecal party is going on in the Mandovi River. A recent study has found that the fecal matter in Mandovi River has crossed 200% of its permissible limit. Now, this requires a special kind of innovation and technology to give back to the oceans, which has been successfully achieved by our smart city, by our casino fellows. Please don't be mistaken. This championship is equally divided amongst all the areas across the coastline, be it right from Arambol to Morjim to Karanzalim. The fish we have seen, which has been accumulating heavy toxic material in Karanzalim, is a prime example. Well, the fish are not just dying, but they are coming into our platters too. Oceans, although they form a very tiny part of the tourism business in Goa, they provide only a small fraction of seafood, of all of the requirements that residents of Goa have. Oceans only contribute to about just 80% of the tourism industry, of the livelihoods of the people of Goa. So it's okay if we even end up losing the oceans. It's only 80%. At MQM 24/7, we ensure that the credit is divided equally amongst every stakeholder, so that not just one entity ends up taking all the credit. So the entities who are behind the winners, the victory of this championship, are definitely also illegal constructions, are authorities that keep giving out very swift, quick, easy approvals for converting forest green water areas, salt pans into settlement zones. The credit also duly goes out to our casino mafia, and the credit goes out to our ministers. This is a combined effort which requires endless effort, hard work, time, energy, and definitely money. So let us come together to celebrate World Ocean Day 2026, but not on a beach, but in an infinity pool that ensures that we continue to get our oxygen from these cement jungles.